I'm going to showcase my Xenology presets in this one. I'm going to release a Xenology bank soon. I sort of haven't worked out the names, so don't judge me on that, but all these presets are really good though. So I made an piano, sort of like Bladee-style, like the full. So I'm going to make a beat like that. Turn up the BPM, maybe like 148. So we're in B major, goes 1, 5, goes back to the 6th, and then 4. 1, 5, 6, 4. The way that I see it, if you don't understand, we're in B major, so B would be 1, then like C sharp is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we're back to 1, which is B. That's what I mean when I say that my chord progression is 1, and then it goes down to 5, then it goes up to 6, and then it goes to 4. I'm gonna layer this with another Xenology preset, maybe like a pad. So this is the exact same MIDI, I just copy and pasted it. Such a cheat code. So apparently, like in tarot, like tarot cards and stuff, the full card represents new beginnings, openness to change, and stepping into the unknown. So I'm pretty sure like Lucy executive produced this album. A lot of the production style was very sort of like experimental and just like new. Obviously Blade has like his own sound and everything. This was like kind of taking it to like another level, which was fitting for Blade's ongoing reinvention of his artistic persona. Something else that I learned, I didn't realize that the album was released on May 28th, 2021, so it was like during COVID, whatever. It happened to be the same date as a total lunar eclipse and a full moon that year, which is like pretty interesting choice of date, like obviously to release it, just like kind of taking his artistic vision to like the next level. I think it's really cool when artists choose to do that kind of stuff. It just shows like how much thought has gone into like that one project, and just such a small detail that could have just gone under the radar for a lot of fans, myself included. I'm only just finding that out now, So we're using Zebralet by UHeat. This is actually a free plugin. Some have coined this the best free plugin ever. It's pretty large claim, but whatever. So basically this is a free version of Zebra 2, which is like the paid version. Obviously, I have both. In my opinion, this is better if you're just like preset surfing, because I found this really fast, like super efficient to just like get ideas down. Zebra 2, don't get me wrong, it has like more than double the amount of presets, but this one's just like really quick to get down, and apparently it has like over 300 presets. So I really doubt, like I've gone through like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like not even 10 presets. We're going down to here to find the preset that I wanted to lay down the idea. Like I doubt that you're going to go and cycle through like 300 plus presets just to get that one sound. If you need to do that anyway, then you can just like go back over into this browser and kind of just tweak sounds and make your own preset. So very underrated, or I'm not sure if it's underrated. I mean, this brand is just so good. They give out so many good free plugins. It's got some really cool sounds, and a lot of them are sort of more in the realm of like EDM, trance, like techno-y style. So that's why I chose these to use like specifically for like the full style beat. A lot of the production sort of has these like trancey synths on it. And one other thing to note about this is it's very CPU friendly as well. So go check it out. It's free. This is not a sponsor or anything. It's just a good plugin. that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Go check out my Patreon if you want to get this project file. There's also a whole lot of other stuff in the membership that's included. Stash kit, MIDI kit, other project files, exclusive content. So yeah, it's a really great way to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.